Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager of Sunshine Resources. Welcome to our tutorial series on how to build website with HTML and CSS. And this is tutorial 36 in the edition. In the last tutorial, we talked about pseudo elements. Pseudo elements are usually the first letter or the first word or the first paragraph in a set of elements on a web page. And so we learn how to effect changes on those first elements on your web page. Today we'll be going a little bit further on what is called external style sheet. As a matter of fact, this topic we're talking about today is very, very important. Now we're going to be learning how to create an external style sheet. An external style sheet here simply means that you will have a style sheet that will control all the styles on your web page. Now on this script page, now I have three web pages. You have the index HTML, you have the second page, and you have the third page. Now what if we have 500 to 1000 web pages? Are you going to be styling the sheets one after the other? It's going to be very hectic. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a single style sheet that can control all the style sheet. For example, you have 3 pages, just 3 pages here. Changing or editing or effecting changes on these style on the styles of these pages now can be very hectic. So it's better if you have a single sheet that you can use to control the header, the links, and the paragraph on all the pages. And that is what I'm going to show you now. So here we have 3 pages, 3 web pages. So we're now going to create a style sheet that we'll use to control all the elements on this page. So what you do is to come to this new, click on new, and here you do not need to write the style tag. There's no need for writing the style tag. Just go ahead and start writing the element that you want to effect changes on your web page. For example, maybe we want our header 2 parentheses, let's say color green. We want our header to be color green, semicolon, and let's close this up. Let's go to the next one. We want our paragraph parentheses, maybe font dash family. Let's leave it at Tahoma, semicolon, and then we want it color red, semicolon. Then font size dash size, semicolon, 20px, semicolon. Then let's close the parentheses. Then the links, parentheses, let's say color orange. Let's close the parentheses, semicolon. Okay, now this is going to be our external CSS sheet. So this is how we're going to save this sheet. You go to File, Save. You can give the file any name you want. Let's call this one external sheet. We're calling it external sheet. Or let's call this one just sheet. And then save as type. Go to look for CSS, cascading style sheet. Look at it here. Click on it, and then let's click save. Alright, we have saved all our styles. We've saved all our styles in a single style sheet. But how then will these pages be able to recognize that their styles are kept in a particular sheet? Now this is what you're going to do. We're going to link this page, all the pages, to the external style sheet through this link. So you will now come to the head section of your script. Remove this one. There will no longer be style tag. Remove it. Then in the head section you write this: link space rel equal to style sheet space type equal to text / CSS space href equal to now name of the style sheet. The name of the style sheet, we call it sheet, just sheet.css, inverted comma close, and then / you close. And now we have created the external style link that is going to link, we're going to place it on the head section on all the pages of the website, and it will link to the external style sheet, and all the style parameters will be controlled from this external style sheet. This is the link we'll place in the head section of the script that will connect to the external style sheet. So make sure you get these things right in this form. So I'm now going to copy it. This is on the index page now. I'm going to copy it and paste it on the second page in the head section. Before you paste in the head section, make sure you have removed the style tag that was there. Paste it here. I also go to the third sheet and paste it there. So we now have the CSS link pasted on our web page. So let me save here. Let me go here too and save. And here too, let me save it. So let's refresh to see what we have done now. You can see that we have, let me show you the external sheet. From the external CSS, the headers, all the header will be color green. The header is color green. Then the paragraph will be color red and Tahoma font family, as you can see, and then the links will be orange, as you can see. So let me show you. Let's go to the second page. Let's refresh. You get the same thing. Let's go to the third page. Let's refresh. You also get the same thing. So we have effected a change on the style sheet of our web pages from an external style sheet. That is what we have succeeded in doing, that external style sheet. Very important, because if you are working with web pages of say 500 to 1000 web pages, you will not be able to edit a single page except you run a script like this. From a single touch, you'll be able to edit over 500 pages. So that's all we have for you today. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching.